welcome back to another episode of JER Tuning Garage. Today we're going to touch on this little product called the Sprint Booster, which I have in my hand right here. And what this product claims to do is to give you a more enhanced driving experience by creating a better sensitivity to your gas pedal, right? So basically, modern cars today uses a system called throttle by wire system. So basically, when you step on the gas pedal, and again, these are kind of modern cars of today, starting from 2000 and up. You step on the gas pedal, and basically it has to communicate to the ECU, the computer, the brain of the car, and then the brain of the car gives the exact amount, the correct amount of fuel, and then the car goes. You know, they come out with these little enhancements, so that way once you install these particular item into your vehicle, it just enhances the throttle body. The gas pedal, right? The throttle. So as soon as you step on it, it kind of eliminates that delay. So it's just instantaneous. And we're gonna go ahead and install this and try it out on my BMW 7 Series. All right, so this is my vehicle. It's a badass vehicle. Transporter status, baby. 2001 BMW 740i M Sport. I've had about 3 of these, and it's by far one of the best vehicles. I mean, it just has a little bit of everything, you know, a little bit old school, a little bit new school, baby. All right. All right, so we're gonna pull into our very own garage here in my 740, and we're gonna go ahead and install this Sprint Booster. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Van. Gangnam style. Buddy?
Not much.
Can you help me install this little Sprint Booster thing in my car? Yeah, that door doesn't want to stay open, so you might have to. Okay, yeah, that'll work. You have to remove the pedal.
I have to remove the pedal?
Yeah, it's a torque 20.
What the fuck? Okay.
Check it out the box shit. Let's check it out. Let's check out that little puppy. What do we got there?
Okay, you got a long way.
Alright guys, so this is kind of a closer look of the actual control module. This is the button where you could press it to Sport, Sport Plus, Race, I believe is what it says in the manual. And you could kind of place this somewhere that's close by, easy to get to. I guess for myself, maybe right down here somewhere looks nice. Maybe even right up here. We'll see. Who needs instructions when you have Gangnam style? Wait, one more time, sorry.
Don't disconnect this white wire unless you remove here and here first.
Okay, got it. It's like hard to... It's like a clip or something? Van finally got the throttle pedal off, and you know it's never been taken out before, so it's kind of difficult. But we finally got it out. We finally got the throttle pedal out. That's it? We're good? We're good to go?
We're good to go.
Nice. That was painless, huh?
Yeah.
Where's the keys? Let's see. Look at that, it's on red already. Freaking race mode. So Van insisted on driving the car, test driving it, so here we are. We just finished installing the Sprint Booster.
That's red mode.
Red is Sport Plus, right? That's off. See if you can tell the difference. We're not doing donuts in the car, Van.
We're not.
It's my baby, man.
Okay.
Come on. Sport Plus. There we go. Huh? Oh shit. Oh yeah, baby. What do you think? Look at that big smile on Van's face.
There's a difference.
You
I
know,
wasn't expecting it to do anything.
I souped up my car, you know?
Alright, alright. I was very doubtful at first, but hey.
Damn, that's fast. What's the end game? What do you think, Van? The sprint booster.
I think maybe it does a little bit of justice, you know, maybe throttle's a little more sensitive, but it's
What are you saying because my
nothing
car is
crazy.
already fast? What do you think of my car overall?
It's a pretty fast car for a big sedan.
Yeah, see? 4.4 baby, V8. All right guys, so just to recap, the sprint booster definitely helps in throttle acceleration and response. I definitely felt it. After Van had test drove it while we were in the car, I went ahead and drove it myself. Obviously, it's my car, and definitely felt a difference. I think the newer model Sprint Booster will have different, even a more different range of settings. I think it's numerically from 1 to 9 or something like that, how much intensity you want in the throttle response. So, but overall, pretty cool product. Definitely recommend. If you do feel a little drag or a little delay in your throttle response. Now, my vehicle is a 740i BMW, and I have tuned it quite a bit myself. And you know, it's already fast, and you know, I believe I'm going to do a segment on my vehicle probably soon. So keep an eye out. Once again, thank you for joining us here at JER Tuning Garage.